I make it with this clear color. Yes, so going to try. It's the fast making, very easy. The same as we make the ball, cut it 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, two piece 10 centimeter. Okay, two piece 10 centimeter the wire here. Good morning, DQ. Happy to see you. Wire 0.4. Cut it 2 feet. What are you making, dear? A flower ring with the beads clear color at the middle and this one color at the side. Clear color here. Okay, the same as we make the ball. But this one we don't need to make the flower in advance. We just make it, yes, here and here. 5 ring with black and gold. Clear beads is 4 millimeter. Here, then we same technique does to wrapper. All got tutorial. Yes, this have already the tutorial at the shop and is just a different color. All have the tutorial. All with tutorial in shop. In TikTok page, sorry. See, we are make the same technique braid it. If you want to make the band neat and tight, it's better you are going to use the top of your finger to wrap. Okay, let's see the length. Yes, thank you, salsa crab. 2.5. Okay, then we go to string with a bead. With the beads, big one, this color first here. And then we fold it. Go cross the beads at the middle here. Then wrap. Start string the beads. Change the beads. Okay, around the beads around the middle 4 millimeter. Need one more bead. Okay, so total 4 piece the beads all around here. Then here we go, tight, continue. So it's a very simple cute flower here. Yes, 2 millimeter beads is the black. Middle the 4, then you pull the wire tight here, then the black beads is not easy to go out because the 4 millimeter beads stop, the 2 millimeter beads come out. Wrapper, 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 wrapper. Wrap. Here. Okay, let me check. System, meanwhile, I'm still trying to choose what wire to use. Is just need 2 sides, 1 millimeter and 0.4, dear. 1 millimeter and 0.4, the size of the wire you can use. Cut. So And the end the same way does to make the end is to rubber. What size wire? EVE, we use size 18 gauge and 26 gauge, 1 millimeter and 0.4. Here, this ring 1 millimeter, 0.4 and 0.3. Let's see how long. 6, so it can be a size 7. Size 7 or size 8, both okay. This one. Just find a bunch of tutorial on the charms playlist to try. Wow, looking forward to see. So here, 6 ring. The small cute flower, and this two line ring is this way. Here, 2 line ring is expensive look, and this one the single line. Actually, it's 2 line inside the frame. Winger, braid ring, ball ring here.